these are my angry birds and things. Tell us about them.
Thank you.
This one is black and it has a little egg, she said. Oh, she's showing. Show the class. Point to it. There it is. Oh, that's nice. What else is soft? Oh. This one makes noises, she said. Very nice speaking. What else? And so does this one. It makes noises. Good job. Show the class. We want to see. Oh, ready? Let's do a pose for it. Okay, ready? Set. Which camera? Oh.
It's a pig.
Okay, ready? And this one?
It's a bag.
Okay. Tell us more. Listen carefully. Excuse me. Please listen now because she's going to speak some more. Go ahead. And this is the blackbird. That's cute. And it has a little puff on top. Good speaking. Very good description. What? It is huge from Star Wars.
Star Wars.
Star Wars.
I'm
Sorry. I don't have a TV. I haven't had an iPad here.
It's for the kids.
Excuse me, guys. Listen. Oh, look, a little tail. Isn't that cute? What else do you want to say about it? Anything else? There's fire on this one. Wow. A blackbird. And it could talk. When she pushes the button. Ooh, let me help you. Oh, did you hear that noise? This is a yellow bird. Oh, another one. It makes noise. And it has hair on the top. And they're talking while she's talking. And it's a triangle. That's a nice description. Oh, show the class. Look at the face, boys and girls. Look at that. Good. Anything else in there? Another one. A white bird. He drops eggs. Wow. Beautiful. I love it. Oh, that's cool. Little eggs are here. Her favorite bird, I can tell. Did you show us any of the Look, boys and girls, another one. A star pig? Star Wars pig. Wow. And it's a robot. That's cool, huh? What else? She knows exactly what He's too funny. A bird. These two, talking. A regular one. Very good description.
It's so big.
Look at that, boys and girls. It has brown right here, boys and girls. Excuse me, boys and girls. One more. Whoa, that's a dark one. What color is it? Tell us about this. What is it? I've never seen it before.
Even I
Has red eyes?
I did. Yes.
All right. Anything else you want to show us? Is that it? Oh, let's give her a hand clap. Wait. You might want to ask you to pick 3 people. They want to talk about it. She doesn't remember. Okay, pick someone else. 2 more people. James. He likes it. 1 more person. I'm worried. They already asked that question. That's a good question, but we don't know. She said she didn't know. Okay, that's it. You did it.